Alrighty guys and gals, so here's gonna be the deal on tomorrow's video. So thanks to people who I will not name because they will be named in the video, whether or not the problems get fixed or not, but there will be, unfortunately, no video tomorrow because the parts that I ordered that were supposed to be correct ended up being incorrect. So the parts that we ordered that were or reordered that were to be correct for the incorrect parts were even more incorrect than when we started out with the incorrect parts that were supposed to be correct in the first place. Are you following yet? I really hope so. So anyways, unfortunately that derailed an entire, basically what we're going to call a video we're making for you guys this weekend, but or for Friday. But unfortunately that is not going to happen. But the plan is we should have the parts to get to No Name and have fun with all of our buddies and hang out. But what I want to tell you guys is I wish I had one to show you. In fact, well, most everybody has seen one of my work shirts I wear. I had these made many years ago by Custom Ink. And well, these things, well, you can tell this one's been through the ringer a number of times. But I finally decided to break down and I got merch for you guys. Yep, I did it. I spent a lot of money. I got merch. I'm taking a gamble and I really hope you guys will buy stuff. So basically what it is it's not a button-down work shirt because it's too daggone expensive to get made to sell to you guys. Nobody wants to spend the money on one of these. At least a handful of people will, but not most. So I got you guys t-shirts, nice cotton shirts. I think they were Gildan brand. I actually got to handle them. They are really soft, really nice shirts. We didn't want to buy crap. But I'll have this logo on the back that's simplified, just looks a lot cleaner. This one was, well, it was all pixelated and stuff, and yeah. But it'll say Scott's Beach up on the front. We were going to get a pocket, but couldn't get a pocket, unfortunately. I didn't have enough money to buy those, but we will be having these shirts for sale at the No Name Nationals event. So my plan is we ordered 200 shirts, and I spent a pile of money. And I'm hoping enough people come out to No Name, and enough people realize how much fun it is to hang out at No Name, especially all the YouTube guys, and then just it's a great little environment, you know, camping and drag racing and the burnout competition and just the monkey bike thing. It's actually a lot of fun. And I don't advertise for most things, and I haven't advertised most this year because I was kind of in the air whether or not we were going to make it or not. But anyways, my whole thing is I decided let's get these shirts made finally, spend the money, and we're going to offer them at No Name. We got sizes from men's medium all the way to 3X. And the deal is they're $25 a shirt. In fact, I'm going to throw a picture of what they look like right here. And of course I don't have them yet where I'd show you an actual one. But the idea is we're going to sell them at No Name first, and whatever is left will then be offered online through an order or something. But I'm hoping to, you know, this is just one run, 200 shirts. That's all there's going to be of these ones. And then the next thing, you know, I got a nice shirt here, company working with, local. Maybe we'll make shirts with other cars on them. We'll do like 200 run deals of each of the vehicles we got because, well, we got plenty of vehicles. So hopefully this works out, and hopefully you guys come to No Name Nationals and get you a shirt. But let me get into what we're going to do instead of a video tomorrow. All right, hang on, guys. So anytime I reference tomorrow or Friday, anything like that, I am talking about September 15th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for when we do this thing. We're just going to leave it at that. So anytime I'm referencing that, because this video will be uploaded tonight, which is Thursday, we're talking about the following Friday. So with that clarification, hope you guys enjoy. See you in the video. Okay, so what we're going to do instead of a video tomorrow is we're going to do burnouts in Jezebel or the satellite. Wait. Your transmission's still blown up from No Name Nationals last year, and we're not going to have a remembrance of that again because I don't need to see that again. Even though I still had fun, I don't want to relive it again. No, don't you do it, editor. Don't you do it, me. Don't you do it. God, I hope I don't do that to myself. Anyways, satellite is still busted, so no burnouts. The only car that actually runs in mine, technically, El Darte. So, or actually the 800 runs, but I don't think the 800 is going to do well, we're not going to do that. But we'll save that for another day. By the way, our flag, you have noticed. But no, okay, I've beaten around the bush enough. What we're doing tomorrow is we're going to do a live stream. Our normal air time is 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, the only time zone. And so we're going to go live, and it's just going to be me and you guys hanging out and a live chat, do a Q&A thing, and hopefully we got good enough Wi-Fi service that'll work. So hopefully I'll catch you guys there, and hopefully we'll see you freaking guys at NoNameNationals. You'll come hang out. We'll have stickers, we'll have t-shirts, we'll have a freaking car there, we'll be having fun. There'll be a lot of freaking cool YouTube people there, like Brad from Poor Boys, Brian from Dust Devil, William from Charger 383 Mopar, who's the current champion of the burnout competition with his 68 Charger. It's gonna just be a lot of fun. So that event is which is September 22nd, or god damn it, I believe it's September 22nd, being held at Jeffers Motorsports Park in Sikeston, Missouri. So please come hang out. It's fun, it's awesome. I know it's kind of short notice, but you guys got a week, okay? It's not like you got to build anything. Of course, hope to see all the other YouTube guys there, and hope to see you guys there. So, as always, guys, sorry for the short one, sorry for no action, and sorry for just me a lot of rambling, but hopefully I'll see you guys in the live tomorrow, and hopefully I'll see you in Sikeston. So, catch you then. Till then, bye-bye. Break out the camera, and he's like, nope. But